How to create a community on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can create a community on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to create a community on WhatsApp, community is a little bit different compared to channels. Channels are something that people subscribe and follow to, but community is something creating like something group. So what you want to do is now open the WhatsApp application, come to the communities tab here, tap on start your community option, tap on get started. You can simply enter your community name here if you'd like. You can just select this community is for these members to talk and whatever else, and just hit the arrow icon here. Once you've done that, you will be able to basically create your community over here, as you will be able to find it. Now if you want to actually go ahead and then remove this community, you can tap the three dots option. You can see community info and go ahead and then delete them if you'd like. This way you will be able to actually create a community on WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.